Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the new short vowel, which is short vowel U, and this is the last of our 5 short vowels. The first one was A, then E, I, O, and then this is U. Let's begin our today's lesson with the short vowel U sound, which is a sound. The first family that we have for short vowel U is a, B family, ab. So U and B. The first word of ab family is cub. K sound produced by alphabet C. A sound produced by short vowel U ending with a B. K, a, b, cub. Now cub is a baby of any wild animal. Say lion's baby, it's a cub. A fox's baby is a cub. Cub reminded me of a club. Cl sound produced by a blend starting with k, so C, cl ending, and so cl has l in the end, so this has the blend has cl, cl. Then we have cl a b, so we have short vowel u in between and it ends with a b. So club, this is cub and this is club. Next one is hub. H sound produced by alphabet H. Then is a sound produced by short vowel U and then ending with the B. Hub is the center of anything. Like your wheel has a lot of spokes in it and they're all connected in the center with the small dot. That is called a hub. Hub. H-U-B. Hub. The next one is a tub. I'm sure you're familiar with this one. Tub is where you take bath. T, alphabet T, A by alphabet U, and then B, tub. Rub. R sound produced by alphabet R. A sound produced by short vowel U and ending with a B. To apply something or to, you rub your hands to spread something, it's rub. Rub again reminds me of another word which ends with ab and it can belong to our ab family. It is shrub. Now when you hear shrub, sh, sh, correct? So I wrote sh immediately. Then it says shrub, shrub. I cannot write shub because that will be shub. Now if you hear it properly, you break down the sound, you'll shrub, shrub. R sound cannot be missed. So we have shrub, so becomes shrub. Shrub is a small tree. So shrub. First word is cub, next one is club, next one is hub, then is tub, rub, and then shrub. As you know, we are doing our sight words which are a little confusing. So we are covering that category of sight words which are 3-letter words or 4-letter words. They are confusing and they are sometimes homophones too. So this category is again homophones, and let's do sight words for today. The very first one is a 1. 1, numeric 1. O-N-E is 1. Now, when you hear 1, you think it starts with V or V, that is alphabet V or W, but no. There's no V or W in here. It starts with O, then N and E. This is numeric 1. I have one toy. So this is 1. And this is 1 again. I won the game. This cannot be confused with this one. So this is winning. You win a game. So when you tell it later on in the past tense, you say it is I won the game. This is 1 and this is another 1. Now we'll see the usage of these in the sentences and understand how they are used and not confused with one another. I remove the cat and change it with, you'll see what. Let's begin the sentence with the sight word the. SH makes a sound of sh. Sh, d becomes shed. We have covered this in the ed family. The shed had, had 1 R. Sight word 1. That means it has only 1. What is it? X. This has a sound of K and S together. X. So this is fox. Fox. And 6. X again. 6. Cub. Ending with S. Cubs. Because it is more than 1. So it is going to have a plural word. It is going to be cubs. This is a very special sentence. You know why? Because it contains all our short vowel sounds. Let's see. Short vowel A. Had. Notice the mouth. Had. Short vowel A. Next is short vowel E. Shed. Shed. Short vowel E. Next one is I. X. So it's going to be short vowel I. The next one is short vowel O sound. Where is it? You know it. It is fox. Fox. And the last one that we have covered today, short vowel U, is here. Cubs. So if you can read this sentence, that means you can read all your short vowel sounds. Let's redo the sentence one more time. The shed had 1, our sight word for today, fox, ox, and 6 cubs. Sound, cubs. This is our statement, starting with a capital, ending with a period. They, our sight word from before. 1, our sight word for today. The, and this is game. This has long vowel A, which we'll cover very soon. So don't worry about this. Let's concentrate here how 1 is used. This one is in a game, in a fight, when somebody did not lose. So this is WON1, not the numeric one. The numeric one, ONE, this is also used in the end of everyone, no one. I have seen that mistake commonly made by kindergartners by when you're using no one or everyone. So they use WON, no, that is for winning, but this one is the numeric one. So I hope this was clear, and this ends today's lesson. I hope the short vowel U sound was also clear. We'll cover more families, more sight words, and more sentences.